how to move the chest in the sequencer. In this project, here has the simplest animation. Next, I will move this chest so that they start moving from frame 30. And now I will select here, and you can see if I move this chest, it's only one of chest to moving, so this is the wrong way. And here we can hold down Control and select all of them. And we can move this chest now. And yeah, this is the first way to select all of them. And next we can press left key and just this mouse. You can see we also can select all of them, and we just move it. Yeah, that's it. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like my content, please subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you. See you next time.